Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so login doesn't stall. Update Capcut Pro, verify a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and prepare the email or phone tied to your account. Once done, open the app and grant requested permissions. This avoids permission prompts interrupting authentication. Make sure you know whether you signed up with email, phone, or a third-party provider so you pick the correct method. Begin the sign-in flow now by tapping Sign In on the welcome screen. Don't navigate away until the next step. Next, choose the method you use to register and enter credentials precisely. Copy-paste can add hidden spaces, so type carefully. If you selected phone, wait for the SMS code and paste or type it within the countdown. For Google or Apple sign-in, follow the provider's prompt and allow Capcut Pro access. This creates a linked login token. If asked, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once the provider confirms, Capcut Pro will start syncing your profile and project settings in the background. Finish by verifying that your profile name, avatar, and cloud projects appear. This confirms a successful token exchange. If something fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Make sure your device clock is accurate because time mismatch disrupts codes. If you still can't sign in, clear the app cache or update Capcut Pro, then try again. Remember one troubleshooting tip: if verification codes don't arrive, switch networks or request a call instead of SMS to bypass carrier delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.